So you got a car for your birthday and you decided you were going to get Susu one too?
Yes.
You think she's going to be happy?
I think she's going to lose her marbles.
I don't think she's ever had a new car before.
She deserves it.
Susu, we're coming for you.
Alright guys, we're pulling to pick up Susu's car and she is going to be excited. She does not know that we are buying her a car, so this will come as a complete surprise to her.
Second car purchase from here in 3 weeks.
Whoop whoop!
Love this place. Back again. You doing all right?
Been busy.
How you like that TRX content?
Oh, it's great. Hey, I didn't know I was going to be on TV.
I can stop.
Hey, turn around. Ads popping up?
No, I don't get ads yet. I have to get monetized first. Let's make it 2 in 1 month.
Oh, yeah. 3 for you.
2 from here.
Right.
She's going to be happy as hell about this.
Does she
My
know?
mom's never had a new car before.
Does she know?
No, she does not know. She knows that I was going to try to help her find something. She doesn't know that I'm buying it for her. So she's going to be over the moon excited. We're going to make this a big surprise for her tomorrow. I can't wait. I wish we could do it tonight, but we got a lot to do tonight. And I want to do it all in the daylight and all that stuff. It's your turn.
Yay!
Welcome back to another Tech Junkie video. Of all the videos that I've done so far, or will continue to do, this may go down as my most important video to date. I bought my mom a new car last night, and today we're going to give it to her, and I can't wait to see her reaction for that. She's been having a lot of car trouble lately, and I want to make sure that she has something reliable to use. And so I went out and I got her a new car. And before we unveil the car to my mom, I need to tell this story because it is relevant to this situation. My mom is extremely important to me, and she's bailed me out of more situations than I can count. This video was 17 years in the making for the most part. In 2004, I lived 100 miles from home, 23-year-old kid with no money and a broke car that I was driving around a big city, the biggest city I'd ever lived in. I had a 94 Ford Probe, and one day I was in traffic, hit the brakes, the brake pads fell off the car, the brakes failed, I hit a curb, broke the axle, that was the end of the car. The car was a big piece of before that, and there was just no sense in fixing it. So my mom had the car towed home 100 miles back to St. Paul's, North Carolina, all the way from Raleigh. And then she went into her savings. Now, my mom used to collect coins. Every time she'd come across a $50 or a $1 coin and she sought them out, she had these giant Coke bottles, these giant plastic Coke bottles that people use as piggy banks. She would take those dollars and $50 and she would put them in that giant Coke bottle. She had a couple of them completely full. When she knew that I needed a car, she cashed all of her coins out, and it was a few $1,000s, and she put the money down for me to get a new car. And the first time in my life that I'd gotten a car from a car dealer that wasn't a buy here, pay here type place. A 23-year-old kid broke, trying my luck in a new city. For 17 years now, I've wanted to return the favor and buy my mom a car, and I'm finally in a position to do so. Outside of the original intent behind doing this, I had to fire my mom in 2017. In 2015, I opened a store where I hired my mom, my brother-in-law, and 2 of my friends to work for me because I wanted to pay back the people that I cared about most and give them a job, essentially. But those 4 people were doing the job of one person. By 2017, I was completely underwater in business debt. I essentially had 4 people working, doing the job of one person, and I had the choice to make. I could either lay everyone off or file for bankruptcy. And if I filed for bankruptcy, not only would I lose everything, I would also have to lay everybody off anyway. There was no way I could get out of the hole and continue to pay 4 people to do the job of one person. So I had to make the hardest decision of my life, and I laid my mom off, I laid my brother-in-law off, and my other 2 friends just left on their own. It took me 2 years to pay off all the business loans, working 7 days a week with no breaks. I would take off the occasional holiday, 4th of July, Christmas and Easter, stuff like that. But I worked 7 days a week for 2 years straight to pay off all those business loans. finally, at the end of 2019, I started to climb out of the hole. I still work 6 to 7 days a week most weeks, and I'm doing a lot better now. And so now I'm finally in a position to pay back the debt I owe to my mom from 17 years ago. My mom is a sweetheart of a lady. She'll give you the shirt off of her back. She takes care of my elderly grandfather. She's the best woman that I've ever known, and it's time. She's never had a new car before. I gave her a car several years ago that I wasn't driving, but it was not a new car, and it's finally, I guess the only way I can say it is it's finally shit the bed on her, and she needs something reliable. Summer's coming, and I want her to have something comfortable with air conditioning and all the bells and whistles that I would want. So I went out and I bought her a 2020 Jeep Cherokee, and I got the Limited. I want it to be fully loaded. I wanted her to have every damn thing that it could possibly have. Her new car has more features than my T-Rex, and I couldn't be more excited for her. We called her to come over. Today is Jess's birthday, so we told her that it was going to be a surprise party for Jess's birthday, and we're going to give her the keys, and I can't wait to see her reaction, and you guys are going to be here along for the ride, so buckle up and stay tuned. 2020 Jeep Cherokee, Limited, fully loaded. She's gonna love this thing. Good gas mileage, plenty of space for her and my grandfather. She is gonna love this thing. Remote start. I don't even have remote start. Leather interior. Jeep branding in the seats, leather interior. Uconnect, the current generation Uconnect screen. Current gen Uconnect screen. Push to start. I don't think she's ever had push to start. She's got the newest version of Uconnect, which is newer than what I have in my T-Rex. Newer than what Jess has in her Hellcat. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. She's an Android user. I can't help her for that. I guess we can't be winners in everything. Heated seats. She's got heated seats, power seats. She's got all kinds of stuff in this thing. She's gonna love this car. I can't wait. What is this thing? For glasses. She wears glasses. Oh, she's gonna love this thing. Leather interior. I can't wait. Let's just get to the unveiling. We're hiding it over here behind this building next to the shop that we're in. That way she can't see it when she comes over. We told her that she was coming to see Jess for her birthday, and then we're gonna give her new car. Thank you, I appreciate it.
Somebody grab Jenny's hand. There's mine. Boys ride with me. Take your ice cream.
We gotta put their car seats in first.
Yeah, but they can ride down that far. Take their ice cream.
You go drive it to the store and we'll meet you down there.
Yeah, we'll meet you down there. Be careful with that.
Come on, Bob.
What do you think? Huh?
I love it.
Say it loud, I can't hear you.
I love it.
All right, meet us back at the store. You coming back in or you leaving?
I can't leave Daddy's van.
Huh?
I can't leave Daddy's van.
Well, you just gonna leave it here? You wanna tow it home?
I have to get used to my
Oh,
road.
so nice.
Smells good too. So that's got Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So you like, if you're driving, it'll read your text messages to you.
No, I have to get my iPhone one.
It has Android Auto too.
Where's that at?
Also, it's got heated seats.
Oh, really?
I know it's getting warmer and you won't need that, but it'll get cold again.
I almost slipped. Make sure you hit that like button.